eyes are running me into the ground. I said I would pay the bills, but tongue-in-cheek I lie to you. How can I move when they're standing on my shoes? Wasting away with a piece of the day and not much else to lose. Spare a second, time to reckon what's forsaken and what's forgotten. Take this rose and watch it die. What's your point of making ties? What can I do when you're poisoning my food? Treating you guests and spending the rest till there's nothing left to lose. Yeah, there's some things to lose. There's so many things to lose. Like the thought of somebody else in your shoes. Oh yes, there's a clue. Someone needs to fill your shoes. Is this what I'm looking for? All this time that I've been sweeping your floor. What can you do? Now I've got it in for you. Taking the fall for the good of us all. And it's down here all the way from here for you. All of the way, all of the way,
És una baseta que va adequada juntament per a que les granotetes es reproduïsquen més fàcilment. Sí. No sé si es veurà algun cullerot per ahí o algo.
Esta es la font del Garrofer.
Well, I'm standing on the corner with my bucket in my hand. I'm waiting for a woman who ain't got no man. Yeah, cause my bucket's got a hole in it. My bucket's got a hole in it. My bucket's got a hole in it. Can buy no beer. Well, I went up on the mountains. I looked down in the sea. I seen the crabs and the fishes doing the Bible for me. Alright, my bucket's got a hole in it. My bucket's got a hole in it. My bucket's got a hole in it. Won't buy no beer. My bucket's got a hole in it. My bucket's got a hole in it. My bucket's got a hole in it. Can't buy no beer. Well, there ain't no use of me working hard, cause I'll get